Assalamu alaikum ji guys. Today we have this iPhone. This is 14 Pro Max. This is brand new. Hardly we use this for like few days. This is 100% phone. Now we're going to open this phone. We are going to show you everything in it. First I'm going to mode it to the general mode. Yeah, this is light mode. Now we can use it. First of all, the battery percent. The battery is 100%. Secondly, warranty general. About the warranty is 12 December 2023. And what we have next, yeah, the storage. This is 14 Pro Max. This is the number 256 GB. This is JV, right? So this is not PTA approved. This is the best phone for internet, right? This is the best phone for it to use internet. This is 14 Pro Max. This is like brand new.